Hey beautiful people, I'm Jess and this is Jess Budgets. Welcome to my channel. In today's video we will be doing a cash stuffing of $374. I am splitting up my variable expenses and my sinking funds to make my cash stuffing videos a little bit shorter and easier to edit out. So that's what we'll be doing today. We're mainly focused on stuffing my variable expenses, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I actually went to the bank and I took out the total for both, but I went ahead and split the money to what I need, which is $374. So that's what I have here. So I'm just going to rearrange the money. So I have the $374. This time around, I went ahead and counted the money off camera, so I know I have $374 here, and I'm just gonna arrange it in my cash tray and get the video started. So I have 50s. I actually got an old 50, which I honestly haven't seen in forever, so I might try to keep it. The old Jessica would have gotten rid of it and wanted the new one, but I don't know, a part of me kind of likes having that older one. And my cash tray is kind of backwards, but we're just kind of gonna go with it. So yeah. So the first category that I start off with is not one that is housed in my binder, actually one that I carry with me at all times in my wallet, and that's my gas. My gas is getting $80, and that covers about 2 weeks of gas with tolls. This week is kind of tricky because I made a longer unexpected drive over the weekend, so it kind of messed up my gas system that I have going. My gas usually, if I fill it up on the weekend, it'll last till the weekend for work, as long as I don't make any extra stops anywhere. And by extra stops, I mean anywhere out the routine. I tend to run errands on the way home from work, so I'm not driving off too far, and it's just convenient because it's already en route. I have 20, 40, 60. I like to do 60 and 20s, and then 2 10s. So 60, 70, 80, and then I tend to kind of split up 30, and then I keep the 20 separate for toes. So I'm gonna put that in my wallet, and we started off with 0. We're adding 80, so we have a total of 80. Groceries is housed in my Luna binder with my other variable expenses, and grocery is currently empty. We did go to DJ's warehouse and got some items, so all our money is gone. So we're starting off at 0, and for the next 2 weeks, I'm gonna do $200 for groceries. So I have 100. So I have 100. I'm sorry. So I have 50, 100, 150, and then I'm gonna do 70, 90, and then I think I did a 10, 90, 200. So I have $200 for groceries for the next 2 weeks. So for groceries, for the most part, this is okay. If we ever go over, then we just kind of take it from whatever other fund just to pay off the difference. So that's $200 plus, and then that gives us a total of $200 for groceries. So I have that. For spending currently has 0. Go ahead and do spending. Spending currently has 0, and for spending, we're gonna do $26. I'm really trying to be good because Black Friday's coming up and things are going to go on sale, so there's really no need for me to really buy anything until then. We added 26, so it has a total of $26. Next up is kids. Kids is getting $20, so I'm going to just grab a 20. Kids is at 0. These kids take everything. My son is good with diapers and wipes. His grandparents came to visit and they actually bought him a box of wipes and diapers, which was really sweet. So he's good for now. Next up is family, and family is getting, well, family actually has money. Not a lot, but there's a 5. We are gonna start it at 0. And we are putting in 25 for family. So I'm gonna put this 5 towards my $5 challenge, and I'm going to place $25 for family. Next up we have Kenpa. I know Kenpa has money. Kenpa has 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. He has $39. He is getting $2, 39. So he has 39, 40, 41. So we're currently at $41. $41 for Kenpa. I'm gonna add 2 and 41. Moving on to gifts. Gifts currently has money as well, and we have 25, 6, 7, 8, 9. So $29 in gifts. And gifts is getting $2 as well, so 29, 30, 31. So $31 in gifts. Next up is beauty, and beauty currently has 0, and beauty is getting $7. So 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7. So we're adding 7, so that gives us a total of 7 for beauty. Next up is clothes, and clothes has some money. Let's see. Clothes has $1. You know what? We're just gonna put that $1. We're gonna start at 0, and we're gonna put this $1 towards my 5s and 1s. So we're gonna do $12 for clothes, so that gives us a balance of 12, and that is the last money that I have. So I have 10, 11, 12, and we're gonna put 12 in here, and I have $374, which is how much we put in. So our calculations are correct, and it is a shame that the only 2 things that had money was Kenpa and beauty. Well, we did have $6 in, between 2 other funds, but we're gonna put that towards our 5s and 1s just because it's better suited to be saved than spent. That's it. That sums up my video. Hopefully you enjoyed watching it, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye.